Good morning, students. We will start second question of exercise 3.6. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? So we will take one example of each type of part, and we will solve it. First is, if we will take two consecutive numbers, so what will be HCF? So we will take any two consecutive numbers. I am taking here 5 and 6. I will take the HCF of 5. 5 is prime number, so 5 into 5 it will go on 5. 6 will go on table of 2. 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. Now factors of 5 is 5, and factors of 6, 2 and 3. So we will take here 1 also, because 1 is the also factor. Now what we will write common factor. Common factor is 1 here, so HCF will be 1. So remember, when we will take HCF of any two consecutive numbers, then HCF will be 1. Now next is even numbers. Now we will take any two even number. I will take 4 and 6. It will be consecutive even numbers. Okay. So I will take 4 and 6. Now I will take HCF of 4. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. HCF of 6. Now we will take factors of 4. 2 and 2. Factors of 6. 2 and 3. And 1 also. Common factor is 1 and 2. So here we will take HCF. We will multiply it. 2 1 ja 2. So HCF will be 2. Now, so HCF of any two consecutive even numbers will be 1. Now we will take, HCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. Now we will take HCF of two consecutive odd numbers. So we will take any two odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers. Like I am taking 3 and 5. Now I will do prime factorization of 3. It is prime number. 5 also prime number. So factors of 3, 1 and 3. Factors of 5, 1 and 5. Now find out common factor. It is 1 only. So HCF also 1. So HCF of two consecutive odd numbers will be 1. Next, exercise 3.7. These are the word problems related to HCF and LCM. Before that, I will tell you, full form of HCF is highest common factor, and full form of LCM is least common multiple. So HCF is used for maximum or longest, and LCM is used for minimum. It means if in the question he is asking maximum or longest, wait kuch bhi, so you have to find HCF on that question. But if in question he is asking for minimum, then you have to find LCM in that question. Now first question is, Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value. He is asking maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of time. So he is asking for maximum. So we will find HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the do the prime factorization of 75. Last digit is 5, so it will be divided by 5. $69 will go in table of 2. 23 is a prime number, it will go on itself. So factors of 75, 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. Factors of 69, 3 multiply 23. Find the common factor. 3 is common, so HCF will be 3. Hence, maximum value of weight will be 3 kg. Second question is, 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Here is asking for minimum. So for minimum, we will find LCM. Okay, so these are the step measurement of the 3 boys. So we have to find what is the minimum distance each boy cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. So we will find here LCM of 63, 70 and 77. You did LCM in 5th class also. In LCM, we will write together numbers. Here we have to take prime numbers only. So we will check. Last digit is 0. So 70 is going in table of 2. But 63, 77 is are not coming in table of 2. So we will write same as 63 and same as 77. Here we will write 2. 63 is not coming in table of 2. So 63 will come same. Now when 70 divided by 2, so quotient will be 35. You can do division in rough also. The quotient will be 35. So you have to write 35 here. 77 is not coming in again in table of 2. So 77 will come same. Now we will check that this number 63, 35, 77 are not coming in table of 2. But 63 is coming in table of 3. So we will take now here 3. When 63 will be divided by 3, so it will be 21. These two numbers are not coming in table of 3, so it will come same. Now we will check that 35 is coming in table of 5. So we will write here 5. 21 is not coming. 35 where 5 7s are 35. So 7 will come. 77 is not coming in table of 5. So 77 will come same. Now we will check that all numbers are coming in table of 7. So we will take here 7. Now 3 and 11 are prime number. They will go on number itself. So 3 will go in table of 3 only. 3 ones are 3. And 11 will go in table of 11. They all are prime numbers here. Okay. Now we will take LCM. We will multiply all numbers. 2 3 are 6. 6 5 are 30. 30 into 7 210. Multiply 3 11s are 33. When you multiply these numbers, so 6930 will come. Okay. So hence this is the LCM of these numbers. Hence 6930 centimeter is minimum distance that each should cover. So that all can cover the distance in complete steps. Third question is, the length, breadth and height of a room are 8 to 5 centimeter, 675 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter. Find the length, find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of room. 3 dimensions means length, breadth and height. You have to find the length of tape. He is asking longest tape. For longest we will find HCF of these 3 dimensions. So we will write here HCF of 8 to 5, 675 and 450. Here we will do prime factorization of 8 to 5. It will go in table of 5 because last digit is 5. Again in table of 5. Now it will go in table of 3. And now on 11. Now I will take here 675. We will do prime factorization of 675. It will go also in table of 5. Again 5. 3. Again 3. And number itself. 3 ones are 3. Now 450, last digit is 0, so we will again, it will, you can take 2 also, you can take 5 also. I am taking here 2. Now last is 5 on 5. Again 5. 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now here we will write prime factors of 8 to 5. Will be 5, 5, 3, 11. Prime factors of 6, 7, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. Prime factors of 450, 2, 5, 5, 3, 3. Now we will find common factor. First this 5, then this 5, then this 3. That's it. Only 3 common factors are there. So for HCF we will multiply these common factor. It will be 75. 5 5 is 25, 25 3 is 75. Hence length of longest tape will be 75 centimeter. Answer. Next, fourth question is, determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Here you have to learn one thing. If in question it is written which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12, then so you have to take LCM. If it is written divisible by, so you have to take first of all LCM. The first step is we will take LCM of 6, 8 and 12. All numbers are going on table of 2. Now 4 and 6 are going on table of 2. Now 2 is going on 2. Now 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So here LCM will be 2, 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Now he is saying determine the smallest 3-digit number. What is smallest 3-digit number? It is 100. So we have to find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. But in this case, this is 2-digit number. So we have to find smallest 3-digit number that is divisible by these numbers. So what we will do, we will find multiples of 24. So for this, we have to do divide 124. Here 96 is the multiple of 24. 24 4 ja 96. This is the multiple of 24, but this is not 3-digit number. He's saying we have to find smallest 3-digit number. So what we will do? We will take next multiple of 24. 24 4 ja 96. So 24 5 ja 120. This is the next multiple of 24. When he will ask for smallest 3-digit number, then we have to take next multiple of this. Okay. Now 120 is the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, divisible by 8 and divisible by 12 also. So 120 is the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Fifth question is determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. In this question again he is asking find the number that is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. For this we will find LCM. LCM of 8, 10 and 12. All numbers are going in table of 2. Again on 2. Now 2 is going on 2. 2 ones are 2. We will take 3. 3 ones are 3. Now we will take 5. 5 ones are 5. LCM 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 5 ja 120. So this is the LCM. Now he is saying determine the greatest 3-digit number. Now we will write here greatest 3-digit number. It will be 999. Again we have to find now greatest, not smallest. So this is not greatest 3-digit number. So for this we have to divide 120 and 999. Now it will go in table of 8. 128 ja 960. 960 is the multiple of 120. In previous question what we did, we will take next multiple. Now in this question if I will take next multiple 129 za, so it will be 4-digit number, but we have to find 3-digit, greatest 3-digit number. So we will take previous number. Before 9 there is 8. So what is the greatest 3-digit number? That is 960. That is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So 960 is the greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 8, 10, 12. Remember one thing, if he's saying find the smallest three digit number, then you have to take next multiple of that quotient. Now if he is saying find the greatest three digit number, so same multiple you have to take from here. Sixth question. The traffic lights at three different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? Simultaneously means together, इकट्ठे. वो कह रहे हैं अगर ट्रैफिक लाइट्स इस 48 सेकेंड 72 सेकेंड और 3 ट्रैफिक लाइट्स इतने इतने टाइम के बाद चेंज होती हैं और 7 AM पर वो इकट्ठे चेंज होती हैं, तो नेक्स्ट किस टाइम पर वो दोबारा इकट्ठे चेंज होंगी. तो how we will find that? We have to take LCM or HCF. If I am taking here green light 48 seconds, अब green light दोबारा चेंज कब होगी, कब green light आएगी? After 48 seconds. तो for this 48 seconds, after 48 seconds it will come green, it will be green light. It means 96 on 96 seconds पर. So green light will change after 96 seconds. Same yellow light will change after 144 seconds. So what are these? These are the multiples of 42 and 72. So if these are the multiples, so multiples will come in the LCM, lowest common multiple. So in this question we will take LCM of 42, 78 and 108. So we will take here LCM of 48, 72, 108. All numbers will go in table of 2. Again in table of 2. Again in table of 2. 2. Now all three numbers will go in table of 3. Again 3. Last 3. We'll take here LCM 2, 3, 4. Multiply it. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. 16 multiply 27. It will be 432. Now 432 seconds. Now we will change seconds into minutes. In 1 minute 60 seconds are there. When we have to convert seconds into minutes, then we have to do divide. So 432 divided by 60. Now we will divide it. So this quotient will be minutes and this remainder will be seconds. Its answer will be 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 AM. Means at 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 AM they change simultaneously again. This is answer. 8th question. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. He is asking for least number, and for least we have to find LCM. So LCM of 6, 15 and 18. We will take LCM. It will go on table of 2. 2 3 are 6 and 2 9s are 18. Now all three numbers will go in table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Again it will go on table of 3 and now on 5. So here LCM is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply by 5. 2 3 are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Now he's saying remainder is 5. Here remainder is 5. You have to find least number. In LCM, if remainder is given, you have to add remainder at last in LCM. So least number will be 90 plus 5, 95. So when you will divide 95 by 6, 15 and 18, in each case remainder will be 5. If you want to check, you can check in rough also. If 95 is divided by 15, 5 will be remainder. Same if 95 divided by 18, 5 will be remainder. So answer will be 95. Ninth question is find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24, 32. This is the same question solution that we did in fourth question. This is a similar question of fourth question. In this question he is saying find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by this. So again he is asking find the number which is divisible by these. So in that type of case we have to take LCM. LCM of 18, 24, 32. Two 9s are 18. Again on 2. Again on 2. Again 2. Again 2. Now they will go on 3. Now again on 3. Now we will take LCM of now we will multiply these numbers. When we multiply these numbers, 288 will come. Now he is saying find the smallest 4-digit number. So what is smallest 4-digit number? This is not small. We have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by this. So we will take this and divide 288 and 1000 for finding the multiple of 288. Okay, now we will do divide it. So it will go on 3. Now I told you if you have to find the smallest 4-digit number, so you have to take next multiple of this, because he is saying 4-digit number but it is 3-digit number. So for 4-digit number we have to take next multiple of 288. This is the 864 is the multiple of 288. For smallest 4-digit number we will take next multiple. 2888 multiply by 4. It will be 1152. So this is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. It's the smallest 4-digit number. Answer. Tenth question is find the LCM of these numbers and observe the property. First is 9 and 4. We will take LCM of 9 and 4. Both numbers will go in table of 2. Sorry, only one number will go on table of 2. Again on 2. Now 3. Again on 3. So here LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 2 to the 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 3 is 36. 36 is the LCM of this number. And here again you will take LCM of 12 and 5. They will go, 12 also go in table of 2. 6 is going in table of 2. Now 3 will go on 3 and 5 will go on 5. So LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 5 is 60. Now he is saying observe the property in both cases. If we observe that in both cases both LCMs are the multiple of 3. So you will write in both cases LCM are the multiples of 3. 11th last question of this exercise. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. Now, if two numbers are given, okay, and between the numbers, one number is the factor of another number, then it means the biggest number is the LCM of both numbers. अगर आपको दो numbers given हैं और उसमें से एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर का फैक्टर है, लाइक दिस इन दिस क्वेश्चन 5 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 20, तो इट मीन्स एलसीएम क्या होगा उसमें, जो उन दो नंबरों में से सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा वो उसका एलसीएम होगा. वी कैन प्रूव दिस बाय टेकिंग एलसीएम ऑल्सो. वी विल टेक एलसीएम ऑफ 5 and 20. Five multiply 2 multiply 2. So LCM is 20. 5 is the factor of 20. So biggest number will be LCM. In this case also 6 is the factor of 18. So 18 will be LCM. We can prove this by taking LCM of 6 and 18. So LCM is 18. So the big, if the that one number is the factor of another number, so in that case the biggest number will be LCM between these numbers. The biggest number will be LCM of both numbers. Okay class, we are starting chapter 4. Name of chapter 4 is Basic Geometrical Ideas. You have done about point, line, line segment, ray in previous class also. So we will revise only. There is a point. We will talk about point. Point show fixed position of a thing. Okay, exact position. We will give name, any alphabet name to a point. Now line. What is a line? So we will talk about line. This is a line. A line has no endpoints. These arrows shows that we can extend this line endlessly in both sides. So a line has no endpoints. These arrows shows that we can extend this line endlessly from both sides. Next is line segment. This is a line segment. A line segment has two endpoints, this and this. We can give name also PQ. So if you have to write in symbolic form line segment, so how you will write PQ and draw a line or draw a sign of line segment. Same here in lines, in line, if you have to draw symbolic of line, so give name HK and write HK and draw symbol of line. So this is a line, this is a line segment. Line segments has two endpoints. It has definite length, but in line there is no definite length. In line segment it has definite length. Now ray has only one endpoint, like ray of sun, rays of sun. We know that rays are coming from the sun, but where it is going we don't know. So we know the one point, but we don't know where it will be end. So a ray has only one endpoint, and we can't define its length, because where it is going we don't know where it will be go. So it has only one endpoint. Give name K M. How we will show it? Like this. This is the ray. Okay. Exercise 4.1, first question. Use this figure to give this name. 5 points. You have to tell 5 points. 5 points are B, E, O, C, B. You can write any 5 names. Okay. Next is a line. You have to write a name of a line. एक line का नाम. So I will write here BD. Write BD and put a sign of line above it. Next is 4 rays. You have to write 4 rays. First is OC. Next I am writing here OA. Next OB. Next is OD. You can write here ED also. Okay. Next 5 line segments. You have to write 5 line segments. First is DE. Next is EO. Next is OB. Next you can write here OC. And next is OA. So you can write like this also. These are the 5 line segments. On Friday, I will check your notebook of chapter 3. So send in on my personal number.